And we cut across to breaking news coming in. Kerala Minister KT Jaleel has submitted his resignation to Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan. There is a lot of speculation over this. In a Facebook post, he says that those who were longing to drink my blood can now be relieved. I have handed over my resignation to the Chief Minister. This was written by none other than KT Jaleel. And let's get confirmation on the same from my colleague Ashwin, who is joining us on the broadcast. Ashwin, is it confirmed? Has KT Jaleel quit? Who is he referring to in this Facebook post?
Hello. കേൾക്കുന്നില്ല.
So primarily there were nepotism charges against KT Jaleel, and I believe Ashwin will be joining us yet again, that line that we lost. But remember, this is a Facebook post that he's put out, where he clearly writes that reads, and I quote, "Those who were longing to drink my blood can now be relieved. I have handed over my resignation to the Chief Minister." This was written by KT Jaleel. Nepotism charges that were pressed against the minister, and now it seems that he has quit the Kerala cabinet over those charges. He submitted his resignation. He put it out on social media, on Facebook, where this post clearly reads that he has put down his resignation and he has submitted the same to Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan. I believe Ashwin is back with us. Ashwin, is it confirmed KT Jaleel has put down his resignation?
Absolutely, it is confirmed that he has submitted his resignation to Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan. He has confirmed this in a Facebook post just 10 minutes ago, in which he says very clearly that he has submitted his resignation to Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan, and that all the people who have been trying to take out his blood unnecessarily for the last few years can now find themselves relieved by this. He also has very categorically stated that for the last 2 years, the media and all the different political opponents have been unnecessarily trying to tarnish him, and that he is submitted his resignation only based on principles, and he will fight the same case of the charges which has been said by the Lokayukta on nepotism, on favoritism, on abuse of his office, as well as of his power, which he has used to give an illegal admission to his own second cousin Adib as a general manager of a public service PSU in the state of Kerala. So he has tendered his resignation. He has said he does not, he is a subject of a witch hunt, and that he will fight it. The concluding part of his Facebook post is also says that he will be standing here and he will face the opponents. So it's a big news from there. KT Jaleel has submitted his resignation.
All right, Ashwin, we'll keep a very close eye on this.